First impressions are critically important at your resort, and parking is that first impression. We've all been there, excited for a great day at the resort. We finally got the kids out of bed. The car is packed. We've made it through that chaos. We've fought the traffic, and we finally arrived, only to wonder, where are we going to park? If only there was a better way to know ahead of time.
Visitors enter town and they don't know where to park. They don't know where there's spots open. They don't know where the parking availability is.
We immediately start by driving into town, looking for parking in the closest lots, only to realize parking's already full. We move to the next lot in town and the next lot, and those lots are all full. At this point, we've spent 45 minutes looking for parking. That's cost us 2 powder runs.
When a guest gets here and can't find parking easily, they start their day very frustrated.
So we identified a number of opportunities to try to mitigate this traffic congestion. It started with a combination of static and dynamic signs to just tell people where the parking was, and when it was available, and when it wasn't.
Now as you enter town from either the north or the south, you can see the real-time data of what parking lots have availability.
These parking signs are updated in real time by the parking lot attendants using an app specifically designed for this project.
Visitors can go directly to a parking lot, park their car, and then bus, bike, or walk to their final destination in town.
This information can be integrated into your resort app or website, easily allowing your guests the opportunity to find their parking prior to arriving at your resort.
Being able to find a parking space easily and quickly gives a better visitor experience to our guests.
At Walker Consultants, it's more than just parking. It's a holistic view of your guest experience, from the time they arrive to the time they leave, including your operations, technology, management strategies. We live, work, and play in communities like yours and understand your unique challenges. We look forward to working with you to give your guests the experience of a lifetime.